culture and value of an organization. Objective. Define what culture and values are. Is defined as all of a group guiding values and outward sign and symbols taking together as one big whole. Explain the importance of culture and values to an organization. Organization culture affects all aspects of your business from punctuality and tone and contract terms and employee benefits. Discuss an organization value system. Value system lists the principle and ethics of which an organization. Introduction. Along the mission vision system, mass organization have their code values break of the place and are display of our wills. An organization, cultures, and values give the public and picture of identity of the organization. But what makes culture and values important to an organization? That is what we are going to talk about this today's session. Today agenda, what are culture and value? Culture is defined as all a group guiding values and symbol taking together as one big whole. Importance of culture and values organization. The culture and your organization is set expectation for how people behave and work together and how will they function as a team. Developing value system. We value and record the contribution of valuers within organization and communities. Explain of organization value system. A value system represents the core belief of the organization that inspired and guide in choice in the way it operating and details with people. What is culture? Organization culture is a pattern and shape basic assumption that we all learn by a group as I dissolve its problem, external adaptation and internal integration that has worked well enough to be considered value and therefore to be through the new member as the correct way you pronounce that things and I feel a relation to them problems. Level of culture, behavior and as artificial artifacts, values, assumption, types of culture, academic culture, employee are highest skill and trend to stay in the organization. Baseball team culture. As a baseball team culture, consider the employee as the most treasured position of the organization. Club culture. They the way and make their goals and values of the team clear. Portness culture. There are certain organizations where the employees are not very sure about their career and mobility.
Types of culture. Academic culture. Employees are highly skilled and tend to stay in the organization while working their way up the ranks. The organization provides a stable environment in which employees can develop and exercise their skills. Examples are universities, hospitals, large corporations, and etc. The classification of this academic culture is hire experts who are willing to make a slow, steady climb up ladder. Next. Baseball team culture. Employees are free agents who have highly prized skill. They are in high demand and can rather easily get job elsewhere. These types of culture exist in fast-paced, high-risk organizations such as investment banking, advertising, and etc. The classification of these types is rapidly changing environment. Club culture. The most important requirements for employees in this culture is to fit into the group. Usually, employees start at the bottom and stay with the organization. The organization promotes from within a highly value seniority. Examples are military, some law firm, and etc. The classification of this is sick, loyal, and committed people. Importance of culture and values. Encourage members to learn more about each other, thus promote better working relations within organization, and allows understanding and respect for the diversity among its members and individual differences. Fortress culture. This is type of culture. Employees don't know if they believe or not. This organization often undergo massive reorganization. There are many opportunities for those timely specialized skills. Examples are saving and loan, larger companies, and etc. The classification of these types is focused on savings and never seen saging fortunes. What are values? Values determines the general behavior of an organization as people attribute their behavior to the state values. The core values of an organization are values the organization holds form its foundation on which it perform, work, and conduct.
Characteristics of a value statement. Value statement should reflect the organization's convictions and beliefs. Culture is specific. Should consider the values of its members, customers, and other stakeholders. Chevron, integrity or integridad. The quality of being honest and having strong moral principles, moral uprightness. Trust or tiwala. Firm belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. Partnership or pakikipagsosyo. A partnership is a formal arrangement by two or more parties to manage and operate a business and share its profits. There are several types of partnership arrangements. In particular, in a partnership business, all partners share liabilities and profits equally, while in others, partners may have limited liability. Diversity or pagkakaiba-iba. The state of being diverse or variety. Ingenuity or talino sa talino. The quality of being clever, original, and inventive. Protecting people and environment. The protection of people and the environment is integrated into every aspect of the NWMO's work. High performance or mataas na pagganap. High performance is better, faster, or more efficient than others. Bank of America. Doing the right thing, we have the responsibility to do the right thing for our customers, shareholders, communities, and one another. Trusting and teamwork. We succeed together, taking responsibility for our customers' satisfaction. Inclusive meritocracy. We care about one another, value one another's differences, focus on results, and strive to help all associates reach their full potential. Bank of America winning. We have a passion for achieving results and winning for our customers, our shareholders, our communities, and one another. Leadership. We will be decisive leaders at every level, communicating our vision and taking action to help build a better future. Globe Telecom. We put our customer first. Our people make the difference. We act with integrity. We care like an owner. We keep things simple. To us, it's be fast or be last. Transportation. Transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. Hospitality. Hospitality is the relationship between a guest and the host, wherein the host receives the guest with some amount of goodwill. Education. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, morals, beliefs, and habits. Entertainment. The action of providing or being provided with amusement or enjoyment. Food services. Food services defines those business, its institutions, and companies responsible for any meal prepared outside the home. Financial services. Professional services involving the investment, lending, and management of money and assets. Healthcare. Healthcare is the maintenance of improvement of health via the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, recovery, or cure of disease. Healthcare. Customer service is the act of providing support to both prospective and existing customers. Customer service professionals commonly answer customer questions through in-person, phone, email, chat, and social media interactions, and may also be responsible for creating documentation for self-service support.